Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and review into Huck's World. Today we got some fun watch faces for you all to dress down. They're super casual and they're all going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. And you know how it goes. Download ASAP because free can become paid very quickly. Now, these are going to be fun casual watch faces and I think are worthy of a download. But again, at the end of the day, the choice and the decision to do so is going to be up to you. Now, this first watch face that we're going to review is called Vital. Very simple, very basic, but yet it gives you all the important information at a glance with no problem. In the AOD mode, you're going to get a nice digital time, nothing to write home to mama about, but when the watch face is on, you get a slight animation going around half of the watch, which I thought was different, very unique. It looks nice. Now, you can't customize the color. That would have been nice, but remember, the watch face is free. You're going to get 24-hour time for those of you all who love 24 hours. Don't worry about it. We got some 12-hour watch faces coming up behind this one, right? But you're going to get the day of the week. You're going to get your month. You're going to also get down at the bottom your heart rate information, your step information. Dead center, you will get your battery info. Now, your battery info icon is the only one that you could tap into to extract information. But you really don't need to because you get your information up front. You'll be able to see it at a glance with no problem so far as your steps and your heart rate is concerned. But I thought it was a nice watch face. More so or less, it will be an energy saving watch face as well with that black background. All right, with that being said, let's check out watch face number two. It's called Beautiful, Simple, and Clear. I love the look and the design of this watch face. For a casual, dressed down, everyday watch face, this one is nice. And yes, I know people, I know it's in 24-hour time, but we got one more watch face coming up, so don't go anywhere yet. In the AOD mode, you're gonna get the same look, same design, just gonna be dimmed down quite a bit, and your digital time is going to be blue. Once the watch face is on, you got this nice design that I think really brings out the watch face. You got a nice black background. You got stacked digital time. You're going to get the day of the week, your date, and also your month. Over here, you're going to get your heart rate information, right? But you get a beating heart, if you can see it. So you got a little animation within the watch face, and then you get your battery percentage. I like that. It gives you the battery, and inside you can see how much of your battery life you have left. Down at the bottom, you're going to get your goal completed. Now, you can only extract two different type of informations from this so far as the watch face being interactive, right? So if I double tap on the heart rate, I can pull up my heart rate information, which is nice, all right? And then you can go here on the date, and you can pull up your calendar and set an event. And then you can also double tap right here, and you can change the color theme. You only get two, but I still think this was nice for a free watch face. Again, the question is, at the end of the day, what did you think? All right, you all, hit me in the comment section below. Let me know, is this a download or leave it right where it's at? Let's check out watch face number three. Last but not least, watch face number three. Number three is called Color Box. I like this one for a fun, everyday watch face, especially for a Saturday afternoon. This one is nice. Now, in the AOD mode, you're going to get a simple, and I do mean simple, digital time. But once the watch face is on, I like this. It's a fun watch face, right? And it is 12 hours, people. Now, with that being said, let's take a look at it. First of all, up at the top, you're going to get your step information. You're going to get your battery info at the top as well. You're going to come down. You're going to get your heart rate. You're going to get a nice digital time in the middle in big boxes. And down at the bottom, you'll get your day of the week, your month, and also your date. So I thought for a fun watch face, this wasn't bad at all. Now, you can also customize the colors by a double tap, and I like it. So depending on how you're feeling for the day, you can just change the color. What do you think, people? It's got several. Let me cycle through just to give you an idea of what you're going to be in for. What do you think, Jackie, Adrian, Jonathan, OZ? What do you think? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.